Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. A warm welcome to all proud parents, grandparents, teachers, and our little stars of today.
स्वागत है आप सबका बड़े प्यार के साथ खुशियों से महके ये रंगीन शाम ये रात
नन्हे सितारे चमकाएंगे आज समा, हंसी और तालियों से गूंजेगा ये जहां.
I'm Devashri Patil.
And I'm Abhipsha Roy. We are so excited to be your hosts for this wonderful event. Today is all about celebrating the talent, the energy, and the joy of our young performers. Get ready for a spectacular evening.
Before we begin, we would like to thank Nalini ma'am, PK sir, Ipshita ma'am, Ravi sir, Neelam ma'am, Nilama ma'am, and Jayashree ma'am for gracing us with their presence and conducting all the activities at Vidya Valley School. I would like to call Ipshita ma'am to say a few words.
Good evening, parents. It's wonderful to see this great turnout. It's actually quite overwhelming to think that most of you would have got out of your homes about an hour or so ago and traveled by bus, perhaps made some new friends. Were you sitting near some new people and talking to them? Can I have a show of hands? Okay. You know, that is also one of the ideas that you come in the bus, apart from the fact that we try to reduce the traffic. The idea is also we build a community. That was primarily at the center of the philosophy of Vidya Valley School. I think today too, most of your children will be participating in a play, in a drama, which is talking about familial bonds and relationships, which at Vidya Valley has always been very central. So I really want to begin by saying thank you very much, parents and grandparents, for making time to be present here. We really love your partnership. I want to wish you a wonderful evening today, and we look forward to your continued partnership. Thank you very much. Thank you, compares. You all are looking absolutely glamorous. These are our class 9 children. They also have their current final exams going on, but they are here and working away. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am.
We would like to felicitate all the teachers and volunteers who have made this event possible. Let's put our hands together and welcome them onto the stage. We would like to call Jayashree ma'am and Ipshita ma'am to felicitate the teachers.
Thank you, Abhipsha. Thank you, Devashri. Good evening again, all the parents and grandparents. It's a pleasure to welcome you here, and we would like to have a huge round of applause for our amazing teachers who never fail to impress us with their patience and kindness. Believe me, parents and grandparents, last 2 days we were having the run-through over here, and we have seen what a kind of patience they have. I just would like to tell an incident. So we were arranging the chairs for the narrators, and one child was not able to understand where to go and sit. So Lavanya ma'am quickly came, and she just holded a child, just like her own baby, and she just took that child down. So believe me, parents and grandparents, your kids are in the safe hands of these kind and patient teachers. So let's welcome all our teachers who have made this day and show possible. Teachers, please come on the stage.
Can we have a big Vidya Valley clap for our wonderful coordinators and teachers? Thank you, Jayashree ma'am. You're looking lovely. I love your confidence. Thank you for your leadership. Fantastic. So as you can see, we are not blue today, but we are dressed in blue. All right. Come, Jayashree ma'am. Are we waiting for our... You know, we always take a count. Would they like chocolates or would they like plants? Until the very end, we don't know what they have opted for. So here come our lovely volunteers. Come.
Thank you, Ipshita ma'am. So this time they have opted for the rose sapling. So we'll start with our dance teacher, Chaitrali ma'am. So Chaitrali ma'am recently joined us, and very happily enjoying teaching dances to the students. Prajakta ma'am, thank you for training our tiny tots for the Marathi part of the play. Sandhya ma'am, thank you so much. Actually, so Sandhya ma'am, parents and grandparents, you can see these beautiful backgrounds. So Nalini ma'am always wanted to have every skill to be built in house, and always this is our fifth GP day for the year, and for every GP day our art teachers have created such a beautiful background uh, related to the themes. Thank you Neha ma'am, standard 2 teacher. Thank you Vishakha ma'am, she will be helping us on the music today. Thank you Monali ma'am. Thank you Rekha ma'am. This is the team of standard 2 teachers led by our own Sneha ma'am. We remember, Ipshita ma'am, you remember Sneha ma'am telling us the script. I think in November we started this whole process. Again we start with Lavanya ma'am, who is the leader for team 1. Thank you Lavanya ma'am for coordinating with the parents of standard 1. Mona Lisa ma'am, thank you so much for loving our tiny tots, I must say. Leena ma'am, thank you so much. Smriti ma'am, thank you. Kajal ma'am, thank you. This is the wonderful, wonderful team of Standard 1 teachers. Neelu ma'am, thank you so much for supervising Standard 1 and 2. Vaishnavi ma'am, another graceful dancer of ours. She herself is a very passionate dancer. She keeps doing her own shows and beautifully choreographed. Amita ma'am, thank you so much for creating the Hindi part of the play today. Our own Dani ma'am for training your kids for the Indian music. Jaibi sir, thank you so much for teaching these 5-6 years old kids a skating dance, which is going to be turning beautiful. May I also request Rahul sir to please come. Rahul sir is the head of our music department. And sir, thank you so much for all the... yes, ma'am, we'll give. Thank you so much.
Teachers, you all are looking absolutely marvelous. We could actually do a fashion show here. Is Florina ma'am here? She's coming? Okay, you'll see Florina ma'am with the Western music. She's not here, perhaps she's working at the back. So thank you very much, Florina ma'am, and we'll give her memento later. But I want to take a moment and say Shelar sir, who has been on our videographer, he has completed 20 years today with Vidya Valley. So if we can have a big round of applause. And Shelar sir also has done Zakir Hussain, and the last month he did the wonderful Army Parade. He covered the entire thing for the Army Parade, which is amazing. Big round of applause for Stephen, his son who has now joined him. So thank you very, very much for partnering with us. And thank you once again, teachers. You all look lovely. And I wish you all the best. And thank you so, so much for all the effort. Thank you very, very much. And thank you, Jayashree ma'am, who is the head of our class 1 to class 5. And she does many, many other things. We just had a wonderful street play yesterday with Times of India with middle school. She was handling that as well. So thank you very much. And ma'am sends her love and regards to each one of you. She's not keeping too well. Her back is a little bad, but she will be, Shelar sir has been kind enough to be able to stream the show for her on YouTube. So she will be watching it along with us. Much love to each one of you. Thank you very, very much. Thank you, teachers.
Thank you, Ipshita ma'am. I want to take a moment to acknowledge a team of volunteers who are and will be working tirelessly behind the scenes. So may we have all the volunteers on the stage, please?
These volunteers are from different classes. They are also here sometimes during the practice, you know. Okay, children, can you come in front? Come right here in front, ahead of the mic. And I'm going to pass the mic to each one of you, and you're going to tell the parents which class you are in, and what is your name. It takes a lot of effort, and this is also extreme skill building. I think that you need to partner with and help behind the scenes, come out of your classes, manage to do this, go back and make do with your notes, etc. So thank you very, very much. Can we have a loud Vidya Valley clap for all our lovely volunteers? Different age groups, as you can see. So congratulations. If I'll pass the mic around, will you just say your name and class? Thank you so much.
My name is Tanya Shah. I'm from class 6B.
My name is Anisha Samant. I'm from class 6B.
My name is Kavya Mari. I'm from class 5C.
My name is Kavya Kothavade from 5A.
My name is Sia Ganu from 6A.
My name is R.V. Mundra from class 6B.
My name is Devashri Fadke from 4th B.
Hello, my name is Swara Nimbarkar from class 5C.
My name is Anshita Khanve from 4th B.
My name is Kimaya Sachdev from class 7B.
My name is Vihan Zirange from class 6E. My name is Rivana Kolkar from class 6A.
My name is Ayan Kulkarni from class 6A. My name is Arnav Pasarkar from class 5A.
My name is Arif Burar from class 6A.
My name is Devansh Gill from class 6B.
My name is Jay Kuber from class 6E.
My name is Parth Saravle from 6A.
My name is Dhruv Sharma from class 5B.
My name is Atish Kadam from class 5A.
My name is Shaurya Sutar from class 4B.
My name is Arnav Aprat from class 4B. Good evening everyone. My name is Kapish Malode from class 4C.
Thank you, volunteers. And now you can run back to your duties. Thank you so much. Next, may I call our graceful compares for the day, Abhip Shah and Devashri. Rahul sir, can ma'am get a mic, please? Abhip Shah and Devashri.
Come, Abhipsha, are they there? Hi. So you're class 9 going into class 10 in a couple of months thing. Congratulations and thank you so much. Parents, I must tell you that they don multiple hats. Abhipsha here is the ace wall climber. The world record may be 6 seconds in speech. She does it in 8. She also sings. She's wonderful at academics. Here's Devashri, who takes part in the INSS DC apart from many, many things. Are you also part of INSS DC? Okay. INSS DC is something that we do in space settlement contest where they work with schools all over the world. And they're comparing, and they're writing exams, and they're playing games. So that's who you can expect your child to grow into. Yeah? So thank you so much, children. Thank you.
Thank you, Ipshita ma'am. And from teachers' sides, we promise you that we will really make every child to grow like Abhip Shah and Devashri.
Thank you, Jayesh.
And now, another very important pillar of today's show, our own Maushis, Sanju Kaka, Sachin Kaka. Maushi, please Sagani Pudeya.
Sometimes I think we're running an army. All. Maushi, थोड़े से Maushi आगे आ जाओ. So these are all the Maushis that actually work with your children. 1 or 2 of them are allocated to every classroom, whether it is sweeping the class, tidying up the class, carrying the skates down, ferrying the children during sports day, assisting with behind the scenes, dressing them up, assisting the teachers even with some of the experiential learning. All of them do this wonderful work. Thank you very, very much, Maushi. बहुत बहुत अच्छा काम करते हैं आप लोग. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया कि आप हमारे साथ विद्या वैली स्कूल में हैं. Most of them have been here for over 20 years. Most of them actually live in and around the community. They are here, their husbands are the bus drivers, some of their sons have joined. Many of their grandchildren now study at Vidya Valley School. So you can see the effect that an education institution and all of you actually have on the community. And all the kakas as well. Sanju Kaka is here. Sachin Kaka is there. Sanju Kaka's elder son has just got into NID, the National Institute of Design, which very few people in the country get through. So his elder son has just got into NID, and Sachin's 2 children are here. So thank you very much, Maushi Lok. Thank you so much. Thank you, Kakas. Thank you to the security team who also doubles up. Apart from security, you'll see them running around on the stage. So thank you very much.
Thank you,
Thank you
Ipshita ma'am.
so much, Jayashree.